Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem your Foot Locker gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in www.footlocker.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official web page of footlocker.com, which looks like this. Go ahead and sign into your account by clicking on the sign in button in the upper right corner and entering your credentials. Click the sign in button after you do so and get logged into your account. To redeem your gift card online, you need to go and pick a product so that you can redeem it with your gift card during the checkout process. Add a product in your shopping bag and click open your bag at the upper right hand corner. From your cart, click the checkout button on the right hand side corner. Now, you'll need to provide your contact information, your package options information, and select a payment method in order to purchase a product online. If you want to redeem the product with a gift card, click on this link right here that says gift card. Enter your gift card number that is available at the back of your gift card and head over to the next field where it says PIN. Type in your PIN code that is available at the back of the gift card as well. And finally, click on the apply button. Soon after you do that, follow the on-screen prompts on the next page and you'll be able to redeem your gift card online during checking out with footlocker.com. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.